Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make white background in Snapseed. And here's how it is done. Open your image in the Snapseed app to begin editing. Ensure you choose the photo where you want to change the background to white. Tap on the Tools option at the bottom of the screen and select Double Exposure. Tap the plus icon to add another image. Choose a plain white image from your gallery. Adjust the opacity slider to blend the white image with your original photo. Slide it until the white background looks natural. Tap on the View Edits icon, the stack of layers icon at the top of the screen. Select Double Exposure from the Edit stack, then tap on the brush icon. Use the brush tool to mask the white effect and remove it from the subject. Carefully brush over your main subject so the white background stays intact while your subject remains unaffected. Zoom in for more precision when masking small details. Once you are happy with the result, tap the check mark to save your changes. Your background should now be completely white, with the subject standing out perfectly. And that's everything you need to know about how to make white background in Snapseed. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.